Sister.
Sister, make the sign for girl. Then put your pointer fingers side by side, facing down. Are you a big sister? Dad sure counts on you. You bring clean diapers. Throw the stinky away. Entertain the baby, though he can't really play. Maybe your sister is older than you. Well, then you're lucky too. She'll read you books and toss you the ball, help you ride your bike, and help if you fall. Being a sister is so much fun, whether you're older or whether you're young. Stand up tall and shout out loud, I'm a sister and I'm so proud. Sister, make the sign for girl. Then put your pointer fingers side by side, facing down.